Hi folks, this is Robert again, and I want to talk about Dave Ramsey and whole life insurance. He just bashes these policies altogether. Dave has some really nice things that he educates people about, like 15-year mortgage and things of that nature. But you got to remember, Dave Ramsey is promoting his own products, okay? And not all whole life insurance policies are created equal, okay? So if you look at it from that standpoint, he doesn't understand how these policies work. It's pretty obvious when he refers to himself in the third person, and he's talking about the death benefit. These policies have living benefits. People use this money to retire early. There's no taxes when you take out the money. There's no taxes on the buildup. People sometimes use these cash values to pay for college, pay for houses, pay for cars. And when you take the money out for retirement, you could retire at 50 if you want, because there's no IRS pre-59.5 penalty, okay? And that all solves a lot of problems, because Dave Ramsey says invest or buy term and invest a difference. Now, buy term is great. I think it's great because it's low, it's really inexpensive. You can get a big death benefit, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the living benefits. He says to put your money in mutual funds. 2000 and 2012. You would have made no money in the S&P or Dow. Plus, you would have paid fees on that, okay? So even if you made no money during that time, don't forget, during that time there was a 35% rate of inflation during that time. So if you would have actually practiced what Dave is preaching, you would have lost a hell of a lot of money, okay? For instance, pre-2008, people took the equity out of their homes, the smart people did, they actually took the equity out of their homes, put it into these policies, and not only did they keep that money during the downturn, they actually made money through 2008 to 2012. So that's what people in the know have done, wealthy people. But what I'm trying to do is show middle America, working people, that you can actually have these policies too. They just have to be structured and funded properly. And you have to go with an agent that knows what they're doing. Out of the hundreds of companies that are out there, there's only about 5 that I recommend for these certain situations, okay? These have been around for 160 plus years. It's IRS approved program. So I know Dave's pitching his stuff, and he's got a coaching program. I signed up for it. Costs a couple $1,000s and a couple months worth of training, and then they send you this thing. Remember, he's pitching his own endorsements that go against the insurance products because he doesn't know how they work and he doesn't get paid to do it, and he might not even be licensed to sell it. So you got to look at the whole picture, folks. And again, if you like a consultation, not every situation is the same. Contact our office. We'd love to give you a consultation today. Bye-bye now.